Hi dear Leo, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Leo Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you in the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from 11th till the 22nd of January. So let's start. Your partner's current feelings for you right now are Leo. Let's see. Your partner's current feelings for you right now are... Let's see. Okay, let's see. Queen of Cups. Okay, I feel like this person is having lots of care for you, lots of love for you, but they are not showing it to you. They are right now, might be busy in self-love, self-care, self-healing, whatever it is, but this person is being silent with you, extremely silent with you. They are not showing you what they truly feel, okay? So, they have care for you, they have love for you, but this is kind of not shown, not expressed. This is what I'm getting here. Let me clarify. They do care for you. They do have concern for you. Let me clarify. Ace of Pentacles and the King of Cups and the Queen of Cups. Wow. This is beautiful. They are feeling like restarting this connection with you. They are feeling like they should have a couple with you. They should make a couple with you. This is the King of Cups. This is the Queen of Cups. But there are a lot of people involved in this connection. I feel like this. Because it's like Queen of Cups and King of Cups and the Queen of Cups. Lots of love. Lots of love, but I feel like there are lots of people also involved in this connection. I don't know what is happening. But yeah, they feel like restarting this connection with you. They feel like giving all the love of the universe to you. But they're silent. I don't know why, but this person is being extremely silent with you, not expressing what they are feeling. Although this person is back in your life, might be this is some past person, okay? Although this person is back in your life, there's something that is still a little missing between you guys. There's something that is still missing, okay? Let's see what you feel for this person, Leo. Your feelings for this person. Let's see. Oh, good. Ten of Cups. Wow, this person is making you very happy. This comeback, this person, their things, they're talking, whatever they are doing, this is making you really happy. You are feeling extremely happy these days because of this person's coming back to your life. This is good. Let me clarify. You are feeling like your family is completed. You are feeling like your relationship is completed. That this is what you wanted from a very long time. You were manifesting this person in your life and this person came back and everything is looking very beautiful right now. Okay, let me clarify the Ten of Cups. The Queen of Swords and the Hierophant and the Queen of Pentacles. Oh God, see, Leo, although this is looking like a picture perfect, beautiful story, but there's a twist here. There is a lot of people involved in this equation. Might be this person is not able to release the past person, or might be you are not able to release the person that you were dealing with before this person, or right now with somebody right now. This is Queen of Swords. This is the Hierophant and the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, I feel you are cutting down somebody from your life to be with this person, or you are trying to heal this situation, okay? You are also silent and you want a long-term committed relationship with this particular person, but you are healing. You are feeling like you should give this person time to heal. You know, you should give this person space. You should give this person time. But again, there are a lot of people involved here. Might be you are dealing with a Taurus, or they are dealing with Taurus, or there's Taurus energy around you. I don't know what is happening. Queen of Cups, King of Cups, Queen of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Swords. Hell, a lot of people in this connection. This connection is not as straightforward as it seems to be. So beware of that, okay? This connection is not as straightforward. Okay. Let's see what this person wants from you. Okay, let's see. You're feeling happy. You are feeling happy. You are feeling like this person is like now giving you the commitment, giving you the stability that you wanted from this person from a very long time. Now you're getting it, but again there's something that is bothering you from the back of the mind, or there's something that you know about this person that is still haunting you. There's something missing. Although there's lots of love and happiness, there's something missing. Okay, There's something that is not fitting into the puzzle. Might be the silence that they're showing, might be something different. Okay, whatever it is, you know better, right? Let's see what this person wants from you, Leo. Four of Wands. Yay, this person wants stability with you. This person wants long term with you, and or a marriage with you. This person definitely wants some kind of long term stability with you. They want to enjoy life with you. They want to explore life with you. Okay, let me clarify. For some of you it is marriage. Okay, for some of you this person wants a long term marriage with you, at least a committed relationship with you. Let me clarify the Four of Wands. Or it could be a new person also who just added in your life, who is, might be you are having multiple people right now in your environment, and one of them is very serious about you, very serious about the commitment part, about the marriage part. Let me clarify. Nine of Cups and the Eight of Wands and the World. Okay. See, this person wants a long-term relationship with you, a stable connection with you. But I feel right now they want to be single, and they are going to talk to you that at the right time they are going to come back. Might be this is the situation here. There's something that is ending here. There's a cycle that is completing here, and I can see that this person is single, or you are single, or this is a wish fulfillment. Okay. Or it could also be possible that this person is going to travel down to see you basically, and give you this wish fulfillment. For some of you, this person is traveling, you guys are at a long distance from each other, and this person is going to come to see you, is coming to see you. Okay, because this is Eight of Wands and this is the World card, both the cards are of travel, and this is wish fulfillment as well. So this person is going to give you something. They are going to complete a cycle in their life, and they are going to talk to you about stability, about commitment in the long term. But right now, for the time being, I feel there's something that they have to end. They have to close a chapter with someone or something, and then they have to restart with you. And there's some kind of complication here that I'm not able to express you, but there's something that is still missing. I don't know what. Okay, let's see what you want from this person. But yes, they want a long-term committed connection with you, a long-term stable relationship with you. Okay, let's see what you want from this person. Two of Cups. Wow, you want a soulmate connection with this person. You want a marriage. Again, I can say this is two of Cups. So all you want from this person is soulmate connection. All you want from this person is love. All you want from this person is lots of love and lots of lovey-dovey kind of things. Okay, soul connection basically. You want permanent relationship with this particular person. Let me clarify. The Two of Cups, the Ten of Cups, the Empress, and the Judgment. You want to be the mother or father of their kids. This is what I'm getting here. You want to have a happy family with them, and you want to make them pregnant, or you want them to make you pregnant, and you want them to have a reconciliation with you, and that too a permanent reconciliation. This is what you want from this person. You want a second chance with this person. Okay, you want to have a beautiful family life with this particular person, and you feel like this person is the one for you, and you should give birth to their kids, or they should give birth to your kids, or whatever it is. You just want a beautiful soul connection with this particular person. This is what I'm getting here. Okay, soulmate connection. Let's see what action are they going to take till the 22nd of January. Let's see. This is all lovey-dovey kind of situation. Beautiful energy, beautiful comeback. If this is somebody new, this somebody new is, sweeping you out of your feet and making you feel like the world's best person right now. Good. Okay. Let's see what to expect from this person till 22nd. Nine of Swords. Okay. This person is very anxious, very stressed, not able to take any kind of action, although they feel like having this with you, although you feel like having that kind of love with you, with them, but there's certain negativity. I told you there's something that is still bothering the connection, still haunting the connection, still twisting the connection. There's a twist in the tail. There's something that is still not yet completed. A cycle that needs to be closed permanently is not still closed. It is like still on the way of closing, might be. Let me clarify the Nine of Swords. This person is going to give you anxiety and stress, or you are going to give them anxiety or stress. I don't know, but this is something that's not going as per the plan. Leo, I'm really sorry, but I'm being very, very honest with you. Okay, let me clarify. The Six of Wands, the Hermit, and the Five of Cups. Okay. I am having cold. I'm really sorry. And these days I'm not looking beautiful and as fresh as I should. So please ignore my beauty and focus on the reading. Fine. Yeah. So this person is going to think a lot about this commitment part, about this marriage part. They want to have this with you, but again, there's certain things that are coming in between. You know, there is certain kind of problems. There's some kind of twists, and there's some kind of unfinished businesses. There's something that is not right, and they have to set it right before they come towards you. This person is extremely sad from inside. Might be this person have still feelings for the past person, and they're not able to come out of that because of their because of the past situation. They came to you for a rebound or something. They find solace in you. This could be dealing with a Virgo here, but this person is not at all ready from within to restart a connection from a soul level. Okay, so they want to heal. They want to heal, and they are very stressed, very anxious right now because they are totally heartbroken. They are regretting something. They're trying to figure out their life. They're trying to understand what that something is that is missing. Okay, there's something missing here. All lovey-dovey is here, all like charms and beauty is here, but there's something missing. I told you, there are a hell lot of people involved in this equation. They have to deal with a hell lot of situations right now. Only then they will be able to come towards you permanently. So this is what I'm getting here. So let me pull an advice card for you, Leo. What is the advice for you? What should you do till the 22nd? This person is sad and anxious and stressed and being very silent. Although they are with you, they are not with you. This is what I'm getting. I'm really sorry, Leo. I have to be very honest with you. Six of Pentacles, try to bring balance to the situation. Try to be in an equal give and take of energy. If you're not getting the equal give and take of energy, don't try to force this connection, or don't try to force this person to be with you. Release this energy. Release this energy as soon as possible. Otherwise, you are going to hurt yourself, Leo, again. So this is the advice. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.